Hey guys, कैसे हैं आप लोग? If you are feeling a little under the weather, you have come to the right place. आज मैं आपके साथ वो सारे टिप्स एंड रेमेडीज शेयर करूंगी जो मैं पर्सनली खुद यूज करती हूँ जब मैं बीमार होती हूँ. I really stand by these home remedies because they really work for me, and I hope they work for you too. So let's begin. So the first thing that comes in my mind when I fall sick is ginger and honey shots. ये रेमेडी मैं हमेशा से यूज करती आई हूँ and it always works for me. To start with, please make sure that the honey that you're using is not commercially produced honey. Commercially produced honeys are generally mixed with corn syrups, which is just sugar. Even those honeys which claim to be 100% pure or even organic, they are generally pasteurized, and pasteurization strips the honey of its healing properties, so it's actually of no use for you. It's still again just sugar. So basically what you have to do is find out a honey which is raw, unheated, unpasteurized and local as much as possible. अगर आपको अपने घर के आसपास कहीं लोकल हनी वेंडर्स नहीं पता है, यू कैन गो टू एटसी और अमेजोन. लोकल वेबसाइट्स वहां पर आराम से मिल जाएगी. द हनीज दैट आई पर्सनली यूज, आई हैव गिवन द लिंक्स इन डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू कैन गो चेक आउट फ्रॉम देयर. If we talk about why this remedy works, it's because ginger is a very powerful anti-inflammatory food and honey is a great antiviral product. Combining these two powerful ingredients give your body an instant dose of energy and also some immunity boost. So now let's see how to prepare this quick remedy. Take a fresh piece of ginger, wash it well, then grate it finely. Squeeze the grated ginger and collect the juice, about a tablespoon of it, in a bowl. Then add about 1 tablespoon of honey in it and mix well. This much amount will work for 3-4 times in a day. You don't have to take it all at once. You just take a small amount and lick it and let it pass through your throat very gently and smoothly. So what it does is it helps in warming up the throat and also soothes it. It creates a coat or a lining on your throat so that you get rid of the itchiness that comes up when you are coughing a lot or when there is a lot of sinus blocks in your nose. Before we move further, it would really help if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so I can create more content like this for you. Okay, so number 2 is garlic. Garlic is a well-known antimicrobial food. It contains a compound called allicin and it also contains sulfur. So when this allicin and sulfur are combined together, it has the ability to kill off the pathogens that are responsible for the common cough and cold. अब garlic को लेना कैसे है? What you have to do is take a few cloves of garlic, peel it off, crush the garlic first. Crush करने से क्या होता है? This compound allicin, it comes in contact with the oxygen and become even more powerful. तो crush करके उसको थोड़ा देर के लिए छोड़ दीजिए, leave it for 5-6 minutes and then swallow it with plain warm water. If you are one of those जिनको garlic की smell बिल्कुल भी बर्दाश्त नहीं होती है, you can even take garlic capsules. Garlic capsules आते हैं which are very potent. So you can take garlic capsules whenever you are down with common cough and cold to speed up your recovery. Number 3, a drink or a shot of apple cider vinegar plus honey plus cayenne pepper. This shot or drink is going to help alleviate all the symptoms that are created because of cough and cold and also help kill off the bad bacteria in your throat and help you relax and soothe. तो अब आइए देखते हैं इसको कैसे बनाना है. Take half a cup of warm water, mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and half a tablespoon of honey and then add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Again, some things to remember here. Apple cider vinegar should be raw and unpasteurized. Honey should be raw and unpasteurized. And cayenne pepper here is not a mandatory ingredient, but if you have it, it's much better. To drink 1 to 2 times a day to loosen up the congestion in your chest area and your sinuses. Number 4, oil of oregano. A lot of you might not have heard about this essential oil, but it is a very powerful oil when it comes to fighting cough and cold. I usually like to put just 1 or 2 drops of this oil of oregano in half a cup of plain warm water and drink it 1 or 2 times a day. अगर आपने पहले ऑयल ऑफ ओरेगनो कभी यूज़ नहीं किया है, just start by taking 1 drop of it in water because it's quite potent, it's very strong, and then gradually increase the intake to 2 to 3 drops a day. Number 5, gargling. Gargling by far stands like the most effective remedy for any type of viral and bacterial infections. बचपन से हम सभी गार्गल करते आए हैं. यूजुअली वी गार्गल विद रॉक सॉल्ट विच इज़ हाईली रिकमेंडेड. बट उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें आप अपने गार्गल वाटर में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि एप्पल साइडर विनेगर, टर्मरिक, कोलाइडल सिल्वर. If you are using salt in your gargles, which is a very effective remedy, make sure that you are not using the table salt that we use in our food. The salt has to be rock salt, and if you don't have rock salt, sea salt or Himalayan pink salt will also work. Number 6, warm oil massage on your chest and neck. Now, we all have seen this ad in India where they recommended us using Vicks Vapor Rub on your chest and neck area when you fall sick with cough and cold. Vicks Vapor Rub and all these similar kind of ointments, they are laden with chemicals and artificial fragrances to make us feel better. Instead, prepare your own massage mix या massage oil at home, which is going to be much more effective than उसको बनाने के लिए. Take 2 tablespoons of any base oil like coconut oil or sesame oil or even mustard oil you can take. Mix a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil in it and rub this on your chest and neck area. Just do some gentle massage for a few minutes, then cover the area and either go to bed and sleep, or after a while you can take a steamed shower and then go to bed and sleep. Number 7, essential oils. You must have guessed by now that I'm a big fan of using essential oils in my home and daily life. For common cough and cold, some of the essential oils which are highly recommended are eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, thyme oil, basil oil, lemon essential oil, etc. But the star of this group still remains eucalyptus essential oil. You can diffuse these oils in a diffuser and keep them in your living room or bedroom while you are sleeping. They will not only help to clear the nasal passage but also let you relax and sleep better. In fact, you can use 2 or 3 drops of eucalyptus oil in the steam water that you are using to take steam to open up your nasal passages. You can also add these essential oils in your bathtub to take a long, relaxing bath. The inhalation of these essential oils over a period of time will gradually help towards inhibiting the inflammation and the infection gradually. So here we are, friends. These were my 7 home remedies which I personally use when I feel a bit under the weather. इसके अलावा भी कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जिनका ध्यान हमको रखना चाहिए जब हम बीमार होते हैं. तो the first one being rest. Do not underestimate the power of resting when you are sick. Taking proper rest not only helps you feel relaxed, but also makes your body fight the virus harder. The second thing is cut down on sugar. I know जब हम बीमार होते हैं तो हमारा मन करता है कुछ comfort food खाए जाएं, but try and find your comfort in warm soups rather than sugary things. Sugar in general is also bad for health, but जब हम बीमार होते हैं, taking a lot of sugar slows down the recovery and makes it harder for our body to fight the virus. And the last thing here is hydration. Hydration is again very important, like resting, because good intake of water makes sure that the blood is circulating well inside your body, and it also helps to keep your mind relaxed and body refreshed. And lastly, I have a bonus tip for you. When we are sick, we keep rubbing our nose, which results in rashes and itchiness, and eventually it starts paining. Keep a lip balm handy in that case and keep applying it on your nose and under nose area. That will keep these areas smooth and will prevent from further itchiness and further pain. So that's it for today, guys. In my next video, I'm going to share a beautiful recipe of my favorite tomato tea, which I take when I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to the channel so I can bring more such content for you. Till next time, take care.